is up and good morning. We are going to be picking up 2 trucks just like the title says, and these trucks have been kind of elusive to me. They've been in my hometown for some time, well, pretty much my entire life, I guess. The owner named David, he said that the green truck, which is the 67, which you'll see everything about these soon enough, has been sitting since '94, which is basically my whole life. So I am super pumped to get up here, get a look at these trucks, get to hopefully get them on the trailer, and we can get a good walk around. So stick in here, guys. I think you're gonna like this one. Alrighty, so we are uptown here now. Got Luke, Tony behind us. We're gonna roll up to these trucks. I'm gonna ask David if he cares if we film, which I don't think he will, but out of respect, I wanna make sure we do that. That thing is pretty low in the front when it's down, isn't it?
Yeah, I used 2 jacks to get the jack out from under it, and I took it off the jack stand. It's just down.
Yeah, and that chain, I did that so it won't out travel.
Right.
I cut about 1.5 or something out of the
2.5.
springs and set it down.
Used to be all shiny and nice.
Yeah, that's be the first big block I've ever owned, so that'll be kind of cool.
I put that motor together more than 10 years ago.
Right.
Yeah, I kept turning it with a wrench.
Oh, did you?
So, yeah, it's not locked up.
Yeah. Got it?
You guys pull the bottom of it out.
Yeah, I'm trying. You got it. It's locked.
Yeah, it's locked.
Alrighty, we got the first one on. One more to go.
Turn the brake off.
Huh?
Got the clutch in.
There ain't a drive shaft in it.
All right.
First drive in a few years here, looks like. If this starts coming, Luke, make sure you snake out of the way.
Bump, bump. Hi! It's gonna stop right on right in the middle of the road, on it. Are you joking? Ready?
Yep, let's go. 1, 2, 3, go.
Don't stop! Don't stop. Where you need to go?
Getting the hood on the old 67 right now. Looks a little bit more like a truck.
It ain't coming down.
Terrifying me, that's grabbing the top of it.
God, no, cruel in the eyes. Oh, the wind, crosswind. Christ.
Good. I'll be up here anyways, use the boy. What are you doing?
like butter now. Never get apart again.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
See if we can't get the girls' seal of approval.
Really truck? You got another truck? I see daylight.
What do you think?
It's a truck. That looks good.
It is the next day. We got the 66 pushed off the trailer yesterday, as you've seen, but we need to get this 67 off the trailer because I need my Dodge to drive to work Monday, so that's gonna be the goal. Let's get after it. Man, that's a pretty tight little spot to get through by yourself right there. So my game plan is I'm gonna go ahead, start unstrapping this 67 here, then we're just gonna pull it off this trailer. There you go, we're over the hump now, we're good to go. Just let out on her now. There you go, keep her coming. Yep, that's it. Alrighty, so it has been a little bit, but I am finally out here and I'm ready to do a little kind of tour on this thing. But basically, in a nutshell, this is a 1967 C10. It is a factory short bed. And David, as you might have seen already in the video, was in the process of swapping this thing over to a 454. And the 454 that's in this, him and his dad built it. And it is supposedly 30 over with the Lanati bracket racing cam in it with a pretty good amount of lift, so it should be a pretty cool little engine. It is completely fresh. It's pretty rust free for being a Southern Indiana truck. There's a bunch of cool little things, ton of parts that came with this thing. We've got a 4-link kit that came with it. AFCO racing radiator, which David was actually telling me this truck was actually the prototype that they used to make the first radiator specific for the 67 to 72, so that's pretty daggone cool if you ask me. But let's get out and we will see the 66 now. Alrighty, so now on to the 66 C10. It is also a short bed fleet side like the 67. And for the most part, it is a pretty solid truck, and it has a little bit of character here and there for sure on this old truck, but for the most part, it's pretty clean for my area, so I can't really complain. Some assembly required still, but I'm excited about this truck. The engine transmission combo on this truck is a 305 backed with a 700 R4. And that is all kind of in the process of being swapped over as well, just kind of like the 454 in there. My game plan is I think I'm going to start on this truck first, quite a bit closer. It's assembled a lot more. Let me know what you guys will do with this old truck. I'm thinking about just an easy little static drop and hopefully just cruise the heck out of this thing the way it is. I think it'll be pretty cool. I don't really want to go crazy with it right now. I say right now because you all know how that goes, but I do want to say thank you to David, especially for giving me the opportunity to buy these trucks, because that's pretty awesome to be able to get these trucks finally after looking at them in my hometown forever. So definitely going to try to take very good care of them. But thank you guys so much for sticking in here, watching another video. And if you made it this far and you're not already, maybe hit that subscribe button and like this video if you did in fact like it, so YouTube can show it to more people. Thank you guys, and I'll see you on the next one.